Hi class! It's Miss Freitas. How are you? Okay, I'm going to try something new. Katie just told me I had to do Hi Freitas. And then I'm going to read a book and I'm going to have it posted. So hopefully that will be another fun thing that you can share with your parents or just, watch me on a video instead of bother your parents because they need to work. Okay, so today I thought I would pick the book The Flea's Sneeze by Karla Firehammer. Oh my goodness. So I hope you enjoy the book. It's a really cute one. And I might be a little silly and I might just do the sound effects too because I like sound effects. All right. Ooh, and it's testable if we ever go back to class. Oh, and let's remember, front of the book, back of the book, spine. It holds the book together. I used to do that for my kindergartners, but not for first graders. All right. On a dark, dark night, on an old, old farm, in a rickety-crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him cough. It's right here. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. They all look so peaceful. Maybe I'll take a nap after this. No one heard him. Sniffle, sniffle. Oh, poor guy. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. They all look quite peaceful. Oh, and there's the flea. Way down there. Really tiny. No one heard his garbled plea. Does anybody have a tissue for me? Oh, so cute. I wish I could give him a tissue. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Still sleeping. Even back there. Then, suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! It scared the rat, who cried, boo! And woke the cat, who hissed, Maroo! There's Maroo! Bahoo! It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered, moo, moo. It outraged the owl, who hollered, hoo, hoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed, cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked, wow, wow, and sprayed the hog, who screamed, eeeew, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. Hi, Zoe. Zoe's down here messing with me. But the mouse, the flea, used for a house, kindly gave him a tissue, and the flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. He got a tissue after all. For all the rest of that dark, dark night on the old, old farm in the rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I've gotta squeeze. Steeze. Oh, I think I've gotta steeze. Uh-oh, he's gonna sneeze. That's what it sounds like to me. Awesome. I hope you liked my cute little book, The Flea's Sneeze. It's going to affect the rest of the group, I think. It's nice that he was offered a tissue. Hey, Zoe! Come here! Come here! Hey, this is Zoe. And she loved the book too. Huh? Do you love the book too? I hope you like Zoe and me. I have a cat too, but she's napping. I love that you are trying so hard to learn at home, boys and girls, and I hope you enjoyed our book. We'll have to do it again sometime. Bye, you guys.